Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to the App Store or iPhone. If you are if you want to fix cannot connect to App Store, so you just need to follow these steps. The first step is that you just have to put your phone on airplane mode. Just scroll it down and here you have airplane mode. Just tap on it to enable it, and briefly you have to hold for 10 or 15 seconds. After that, just turn it off, and now go to your phone settings, and here you have to select general, and now scroll down and look for date and time. Here's that, tap on it, and here you have to see if your date and time are connected to your area. Just disable this setting and then select your time zone. After selecting that, you have to turn this setting on, and after doing this you just have to see if your phone is connected to a VPN. You just have to go to general, and here scroll down and look for VPN and device management. Tap on it, and here you can see my phone is not connected with any VPN. So if you have done it all, so you just have to close your settings and go to browser, and here you have to search for Apple system status. Search for it. After searching this, you have to open this website, which is officially Apple website. Just open it, and here you can see all services are operating normally. Tap on it, and here you have to look for App Store, which is available on your phone. So if you have done it, so close this, and after closing this, you have to shut off your phone. Just scroll it down, and here you have the power option. Keep a long press on it, and after that you have to slide this icon right side to power off your phone. As you can see, I have powered off my phone, so now you have to power it on again, and after that you'll be able to use App Store. Just keep a long press on power button. So you can see my phone is powering on. So after it, you will be able to use App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.